Hi, this is George Whittam reporting for Whittam's World at NAB 2015, and here we are at Shure. The Shure is always sure to bring you some cool stuff for voiceover, and here to tell me more about it is...
Cheryl! Hi everybody, I'm Cheryl, and I'm here to tell you all about our Motiv line of digital recording microphones. These are brand new and they are going to be shipping later this summer, so look out for them. And I'm going to go through the whole line for you.
Thanks.
So we're going to start here. This is the MV5. This is a small diaphragm digital condenser microphone. Comes in the gray and silver here. We also have it red and black if you need a different color option. I'm going to turn around to the back and show you all the important stuff. It's got two DSP modes that you can very easily toggle through with this button here. Those DSP modes, I don't know if you can see them, but there is a vocals one. This is good for speech or singing. There's an instrument one. You can also toggle it to a flat mode if that's what you need. Real-time headphone monitoring. Your volume control is right here at the top. And this micro USB out comes standard $99 with the USB cable. You can plug it directly into your computer. However, if you'd like to plug it into your iOS device for just a little bit more at $129, it will also come with a micro to lightning cable. So to plug directly into your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod Touch, whatever you're using, to give you great audio quality.
Okay.
So moving up the line, we have this is the granddaddy of the line. This is the MV51. This is a large diaphragm condenser microphone. It's got a touch panel here, and it's got 5 DSP modes, so you can very easily toggle between. This volume meter here can control either your microphone gain or your headphone volume, because once again, real-time headphone monitoring. Same thing here, USB cable. You can also use it directly with a lightning to your iOS device. Very great piece of product here, very nice and sturdy. Designed after one of our classic microphones, so you got kind of a nod to Shure history right there.
Is that only a desktop mic?
Well, you can also unscrew this bottom right here,
there we go.
And it'll easily mount on any standard microphone stand. So it's very versatile. Wherever you want to use it, it can kind of make that.
Yeah, we like to get our mics up off the table for voiceover. People stand and they act, so the mic has to be...
Get the diaphragm engaged, so you can really speak loud.
Yeah.
So that touch panel, what you're going to see is the same thing here. This is an interesting microphone on the line. This is the only one that actually isn't a microphone. This is the MVI digital interface. So you've got the same controls here, 5 DSP, control of mic volume, or excuse me, mic gain as well as headphone volume. Flip it around the back and what you'll see is we've got a combo jack here. So you can either plug in your 1/4-inch instrument cable or your XLR cable to your favorite microphone. Say you already have a favorite microphone, it'll plug right in here. Even if it's a condenser microphone, you can use it because this will provide phantom power to your condenser microphone. You don't need any external power, it'll just pull that from whatever you're using, be that the laptop or your device, your iOS device. So an easy way to plug your favorite microphone or your instrument directly into that computer or iOS device. That's the MVI. And then this is the MV88. This is unique in the line because this is the only one that is iOS only for very obvious reasons. We've got the lightning end here. This is a stereo condenser microphone. So as you can see, it's very versatile. You can rotate it for whichever direction you need to take the most advantage of that stereo recording. And it plugs directly into your device here. And this is why we have the the Shure Motiv recording app. So this is where you can actually record directly into. It's also where you can manage all of the settings on your MV88. You can have the 5 DSP modes once again. You can control your mic gain. You can also control the stereo width very easily. Or if you want to get fancy, you can come over here and toggle between various options between polar patterns, mess with your EQ, your limiter and compression, and everything that you do on this app is being saved on the microphone itself. So once you've got all your settings done, if you don't want to use our recorder, you can close this down and open up any other third-party recording app that you're using, be that GarageBand or even your video camera. This is a great way to get stereo recordings for your video.
So that's programming DSP that's inside the mic itself.
Exactly. It is actually just remote controlling the DSP engine within this little package. This little thing is going to be $149. It ships standard with a ball windscreen in a case, because you got to have a case for this thing on the go. So it just makes great recordings, and we're really, really excited to get these in people's hands. So starting this summer, they will be available from your Shure authorized retailers.
Is this one going to replace the X2U, which I love? A lot of my clients love it.
I don't believe it's going to totally replace it at this exact moment in time, but it is a pretty powerful thing. It's a little bit more intuitive to use, I think, than the X2U. It's sort of the next generation of what the X2U can give you. I'm very curious to demo it, to hear how the DSP works and how usable it is for the
context of voiceover recording, and it's very exciting.
I've been using this personally with, I have a KSM9 microphone that I've been using to do some vocal work at home. Very, very simple to use, and it sounds amazing. It's really great that I can get that great performance of my condenser microphone right directly onto my computer.
And it's iPad and iPhone compatible.
Exactly. So if you don't have your computer on the go, plug it right into your iPhone and you're good to go. So.
Excellent. Thanks very much for showing us everything.
My pleasure. Thanks so much for stopping by and giving us the chance.